biglang lumuha nang di mo pinapansin. Nagsisisi sa isip mong nalaman mong ika'y mali, 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 mali. Nagsisisi sa isip mong nalaman mong ika'y mali. Nagsisisi sa isip mong nalaman mo ika'y nagkamali.
Prince Maki! Grabe naman ang version mo ng Anak. That was intense, brother, and full of heart, full of emotions. Grabe, bigay na bigay todo silang lahat. Guys, here we go. Ito na nakakabang na part kasi they have all performed 2 songs each and we will now be able to do the countdown para malaman sino ang mai-eliminate at hindi nakasali sa ating grand finals tonight. My goodness, guys, anything could still happen at this point. Sobrang gagaling kasi ng mga contenders natin. But before anything else, let me just thank one by one ang ating mga supporters sa ating mga singers tonight. Sila Sir Boogie, Rigor, si MK, si Tadashi, si Derata 16, si Maki, si Young Boo, si Captain Yami, si Kirks, si CJ Hoy, si Alex Hoy, si Hiraya, Marty Ewok, Max Hilin Hoy, si Nika, si Tony, si Azel Gonzalez, and si Zach. Also kay Unbreakable, si Lori Amor, Ice Tubig, Toxpire Philippines, Queen of Ace, Carla 14, Alma, Dulce, and the PhilAm Jammers. Oh my gosh. And of course, ating 8.3 thousand viewers right now. We are number 6 in the whole Philippines and we have 3.3 million likes and taps. Guys, here we go. Reminder sa mga supporters natin, mga bagong pasok, we have 10 seconds po na countdown plus 3 seconds na waiting time. So all in all, 13 seconds ang ating time frame for the support. And after that, I'll be doing the screenshot with the video as proof of our result. Here we go! Hang on tight, guys! Oh my goodness.